something like this, a business like this, from the people that built the business, or the building, John and Frank. Just want to say thank you very much for everything you guys have done. This building right here is done. So thank you very much.
We are all about repairing it the way it's supposed to be repaired, according to the manufacturer. So when you get your car back, it's like it left the dealership. It looks like it just left the dealership, and it's going to drive that way. And if it doesn't, we're going to find a way to make it that way. And lastly, we work with exclusively OEM parts. That means that original equipment manufacturer. We are not buying some knockoff bumper from China. And there are knockoff parts for every car. I don't care what you're driving, they're making copies of those parts in China, and most any other body shop is going to put that on your car. We're all about the OEM parts preserving the value of your vehicle. That's what OEM parts is about. The fitment, the finish, and I think most important, the durability. What's it going to look like 2 years